Hi guys, my name is Amelie and I'm 19 years old. I am studying youth and adult correctional intervention at UNSIC College for 2 years. UNSIC College is a very good college in the city of Montreal. My program is about how to intervene with delinquent people and how we can help them to be a better person and help them to reintegrate society quickly and adequately. So we learn about different types of interventions we can use with them. We learn about all the possibilities of job in this field of study, and we learn about different problems that our client can have. As I already say, there are so many possibilities of job after school for us. A possible problem that people of my program can have is not to know how to apply for a job in the Correctional Service of Canada. So to solve this problem, I think that the CSC website will be helpful for those people. So let's look at it. First of all, we have to open a web page and tap in the address bar the URL of the website. So here we go. We have to write www.csc-scc.gc.ca and we click enter. So for this course, we will choose the English page. So here is the main menu of the website of the CSC. At the top of the screen in the middle, we see the logo of Canada. In the top right corner of the screen, we can click on canada.ca to have information about the government of Canada. If we want to go back, you just have to click on the back arrow. If we scroll down with the scroll bar, we can see that there's a video gallery that describes what is the CSC, and if you scroll down a bit more, you can do a virtual tour of a Canadian penitentiary. That's very cool for anybody who is interested by our penitentiary in Canada. At the end, you can see the footer menu. In this menu, you can find information about the history of CSC, the priorities of the CSC, and their role. If we scroll up, we can see the navigation menu. If you click on Facilities and Security, you will find information about the security in the penitentiary. Information about different penitentiaries in Canada and more. Besides, you can have information about the correctional process. But what is interesting for those who wants to have information about the recruitment process is on the U and CSC menu in the navigation menu. Here you are. If you want to have information about the recruitment, you just have to click on Careers and CSC. Here you are. On the right side of the screen, there's a guide that explains to you how to apply, and when you click on it, they explain to you the selection process. They give you information about the selection process, how to find a federal job online, things to keep in mind when you are applying, etc. To finish, they give you information about the recruitment process. If you want to be a correctional officer or a primary worker. For example, if you want to be a correctional officer, you just have to click on this image. And this is the menu. You have information about the process, but also information on what you want to do in this kind of job. There's before applying, the steps for application process, and you can also see the role of a correctional officer. So I think that this website will be very helpful for those kinds of people who didn't know how to apply for the CSC, because if they don't know how to apply, they will lose their chances to do what they really want to do in their lives. Thank you guys, and put a comment below if you want to say any comments to me, or if you want to ask me any question. Thank you.